of the gigantic toy surprise, humongous crazy balloon in our living room. And Tiana's been asking me all morning to pop another gigantic balloon in the living room. And I said, you know what? Let's do this.
Yeah!
So now we're back with a purple one. With surprises inside, just like always, guys. So, Tiana.
Look. Yes, look, I got
Woo!
I'm super excited.
So you got some surprises inside this giant balloon again, Tiana. So, let's do this. Turn on the leaf blower.
Are we going to be going outside again?
Yeah. Come on, grow! Grow!
Look! It looks like a pumpkin!
It's like a purple pumpkin! Look underneath! Wow, 3K, 3K!
And we got dogs and cellophane. Yeah. Woo!
Purple pumpkin! Hey! Woohoo!
Yeah.
Come on, purple pumpkin! So there you go, guys. Humongous, crazy balloon growing yet again in the living room on Tiana's request, because she just loves giant balloons.
Yeah. I love them.
We've got the leaf blower controller. Can we trust her? Yes, we can. Hey! Okay, getting close to the light shade there, and then back off again. Wow, that's kind of a strange shape. That is strange. Hey. So this one's a bit freaky. Oh, wow. Here we go. Here we go. Lampshade.
Oh no! I'm gonna
Tiana, no, we wasn't expecting that.
That was funny.
That was crazy. Did he even get a chance to proper spread? Wow.
Guys, when it popped, something really hit my finger and now it's like bleeding kind of.
Really? Weird.
It's hardly, it's just a scratch.
Wow.
I think it was a leaf blower.
Did that freak you out?
No, mummy though.
Is that where that ended up? Check this out, guys. That's where the balloon ended up. Right behind the TV. Freaky. So there you go. Wow. Okay, Tiana, here's the surprise balloon. Mum, ready? Tiana, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready then, Trina? Throw the balloon. Woo!
Let's see the surprises.
What have you got?
Puppy in my pocket. Disney Zoom Zoom.
Zoom, zoom, zum, zums.
Tum Tum.
Tom, tom, zum, zums.
Oh, let me just, here's the pen as well.
Shopkins, Chef Club.
Oh, yes, here's a 6. And then that is Rescue Hospital and Kitty Club. Is that everything?
Yes, that's 5. Opening time.
Yeah! That balloon popped so quick, but I think it's because that it was twisted out.
Yeah, at the bottom was like kind of
Yeah.
twisted, wasn't it? It looked like a pumpkin. See, it was freaky, wasn't
and
it?
even the shape was, and then the twisted part definitely did make it look like a pumpkin. So now I'm going to open my super cool surprises, and I'm going to start with the Disney Tum Tums or Zum Zums.
Zum zums. People in the comments say that you always say it wrong, don't they?
Yeah. Oh well. I don't really know anyway. Oh! It's an alien! Look! This is series 1, I think. Wait. Yeah, these are series 1. So like series 1 are squishy. And series 2, they're like not as squishy. So there's the alien. So I'm going to open the Shopkins. Of course. I love Shopkins. I love them so much. The alien right there is really cool. I hope I get some new Shopkins. Here's one blind bag.
Crazy purple balloon.
Checklist. Then the other Shopkin. Who is this? I might get some ultra rares. Who is this? Oh, this is the salt one. Oh, I forgot his name. I think it's sea salt or something like that. Right, who's this one? Let's see. Shopkins are so cool. This is olive oil. I'm sure it is. And if you didn't know, you can scan the Shopkins on the app. And I've downloaded the app and I scanned them. This is Puppy in My Pocket. They're really fuzzy. Oh, look how cute! They're so cute.
Is that your last one then? Oh no, you got one more.
I
Is that Kitty Club?
Yeah, I got 2 more though.
Okay.
Yes, this is Kitty Club. Okay. Kitty Club's like Puppy in My Pocket. as
Yeah,
well,
they are.
so-
Ah.
A purple cat. I've never heard of a purple cat. Have you, Mum?
Mm-mm.
Wow. I like her hat though.
She's cute.
Yeah. She's got like orange eyes. And then if you put it upside down, her eyes close.
Oh,
But if
yeah.
you also put it like that, her eyes close.
We'll do close-up shots, yeah? You've opened the last one.
Yeah, so this is the last one. You get all sorts of animals in here. I think you get 2 in here. Or 1. 2 or 1. Just need to cut it a little bit more. And the packets are actually shaped in a love heart, aren't they? Yeah, you get 2.
Oh, they're tiny.
Oh, yes. So normally you get one of them in the packet will not have the mark, and then the other one in the packet will have the mark.
What? It's like a cutie mark. What you can rub up.
So
Disappears,
it's a
doesn't it?
scratch,
Yeah.
yeah, but a fake one. And then if you rub it or put it in water, it'll go, and then it eventually comes back.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, let's just check if it is the last one, because sometimes we forget.
Definitely put 5 in that balloon.
1, 2,
3, 4.
4, 5.
There you go. Close up.
Here are all my surprises. Here is the Shopkins Season 6 olive oil. And then that is the alien from the Disney Tum Tums or Zum Zums. And then here's Kitty Club. And I think that one will be my favourite one I've got so far. Because it's so cute and pretty. Then here are my 2 rescue hospitals. There's a cat and then there's a cute little dog. And this is another Shopkin, and I think it's called Sea Salt or Sally Salt. And then here's a puppy in my pocket. It's so cute. I got some super cool toy surprises in that giant, well,
Nearly giant.
yeah.
What, scary and freaky?
Yes, it was quite giant, but not as giant.
Well,
as
it popped so early. Normally, it like spread across the whole living room, so that one was a
Yeah.
bit of a fail.
Yes, it basically only touched the
lampshade.
light. Yeah.
Or the light
So,
shade.
yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Oh, and this is for the Kitty Club.
Okay.
I love you all. See you soon. Bye. Meow. Okay, so let's move the elevator down to the bottom floor.